realize anything. My geese hurting. Come here, Jimmy. Come on, Jimmy. I need you out of the sidewalk, bud.
You're not done yet, Goose.
Come on, Jimmy. Did you make him fly?
Make him fly over the fence.
That's funny. Where'd you go?
Over.
There you are. Oh, there's more.
Where?
Oh, they're all over here now.
Where'd you go?
Go around the school. On the street. There you are. Right there.
Oh. Be afraid of the Groms, Geese.
Honk, honk! Honk! Look at them.
Those little assholes just like...
Let's go straight. Let's make him poop.
The absurd amount of geese poop over here.
Yeah. Come on, Jimmy.
Get out of the road, dumbass. No wonder why Denver exterminated all those motherfuckers.